Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to copy Grok chats in seconds. So guys, if you want to copy the Grok chats in the seconds, so guys, you just follow this video. First of all guys, you open your grok.com. okay, and here you see the option and that you can open your chats. Okay, now guys, here you see that every chats have their copy icon. Like for example, this is the code that I am generated. So when I move at the top of this code, so guys, here you see the option of copy button. You can just press it and guys, here you see the option of copied. Otherwise you simply select and just move downward with your file. Okay, and here you see it's completely automatically copy. And one more thing is also you can do, you click on the first letter. After that you move downward and press the shift button and then click the last character. Now here you check that it automatically selected. Okay, so these are the way that you can select and copy the Grok chats in the seconds. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day.